Hey everyone, welcome to sunny Sarasota. Behind me we have the Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. I'm going to be doing a walkthrough video for you. This is a beautiful 2015 Sea Ray powered by twin Mercruiser 5-liter MPI engines with the Bravo 3 outdrives, as you can see right there. This boat has Axios joystick control, which I'll show you in a minute. Well, starting from the aft, as we come up, you'll notice the telescopic heavy-duty swim ladder. Lots of compartments, place to put your fenders and ropes. Beautiful layout. There are a few really unique features on this boat, one being the sun pad back there. This model has a insert for a large sunbed right over here, so it would replace that table. Fold that back up. That has storage back in there as well, place to keep your ropes and fenders as well. Well, moving forward, we have the Kenyan electric grill, refrigerator, stainless steel sink. The captain's seat that you see is reversible and swivels around, so you can entertain with your guests sitting behind you. For added comfort, that seat lifts up, just give you extra support, make it nice and comfortable. As we get to the helm, beautiful dash. Sea Ray do a great job. Nice leather wrap, muscle car, gauges, digital smart craft, the 4-inch vessel view system, the Axios, which is integrated with our joystick right there. Beautiful to drive, super easy. If you've never done it before, you got to try it out. Digital shift throttle, nice adjustable steering. Take note at the stairs getting up to the bow, how easy it is. Just pop that window open, it has a lock so it's not going to swing back on you. Beautiful spacious bow, easy to get up to your anchor and your spotlight. The windlass, antennas. Alright, heading on to the cabin. Nice spacious walkway. Great seating. As you can see, our center table goes down and that transforms into a bed, as well as our table over here that also goes down, and it's a hybrid style seat, so this backrest would flip up and you would have 2 seats over there as well. Ample packing space, all these cupboards open. The entertainment system, everything is of the best of quality. Microwave, stove, refrigerator. There we have our electric head The shower head right there. Closet. Well, I've climbed into the aft cabin of the well, the rear bed, should I say, on the Sundancer 310. I'm 6'2". I just needed to show you actually how big it is back here. I can stretch out, my feet will not touch the back, and my head won't touch the headboard. Our lights, plug points, we have a privacy curtain, and we have a little skylight above my head. I've put the sun pad piece in so you can see exactly what it looks like, all assembled. A lot of room just to hang out. So in the bow, you'll see what the V-berth, how it transforms into a big bed. That's larger than a double. I flipped this up so you can see the backrest for the side kitchen table. Alright folks, well, thanks for watching my video on the gorgeous Sea Ray Sundancer 310. My name is Justin Lindhorst. Please give me a call should you want any further information on this boat. I'd be happy to help you.